Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I drop another video of my house tour after I have upgraded some few items in my $15 bedsitter. Yeah, as you can see, viatu zangu hapo, kuna my Jordan hapo, my New Balance, my Adidas. Wardrobe ndo hiyo, fan ndo hiyo. Yeah, it's just an upgrade of what I posted earlier, as you can see. Starting from the bottom is very nice, guys. You should start somewhere and have that momentum. Ndio hiyo screen yangu, laptop yangu. Yeah, hiyo ndo bed yangu, mahali nipumzisha. And enjoy the small wins that come across you. Hizo ndo zinakufanya una build the momentum. Hapa pia kuna huyu best yangu huyu hapa, kandege kanapendanga sana kukuja kupitisha yangu. And yeah, this is it. My small bedroom, $15 bedsitter. And yeah,